to another episode of Knock Maths Out the Park with me, Mr. Clark. It's lovely to see you again. Today we are still on column subtraction, but now we are going to be looking at what happens when we've got to take away some money. So you can see we've got pound signs in today. So hopefully you've seen the column addition with money. This will give you a bit of a helping hand. So what I always do, I first of all come and I put my numbers in. So £7.5 is my larger amount. I'm taking £4.28. So £7. 7 box of its own. Decimal point on my line. I put my 0 and I put my 5. Personally, I don't put my pound symbols in quite yet. I save that for my answer. Now I'm looking £4.28. Now if you remember from column addition, I use my little trick. I put all my decimal points in advance. So they're in a straight line on the same line going down. Now £4.28, 4, put my 2, and there's my 8 pence. Back to my trusty little friend, my ruler. I've been cheating recently and drawing the lines in advance. I'm going to get it in and draw my lines so fresh and so clean. Whoop. Not the best, not the freshest, not the cleanest, but I'll do my best for the next one. See if we can improve on this one. Really quite hard to do this with a ruler on a whiteboard. There we go. Fresh and clean. Okay, so we are coming on to our problem. Let's start over here. Now if you want to be really particular and you know your place value well, you know that this is your units. You can put your decimal point up here in line with all the other ones. This is actually your tenths column and this is your hundredths. We'll be talking about that in future videos about fractions, decimals and percentages. So let's come over here. So my 5 pence take away 8 pence. Can I do it? No! There's more on the floor, so we can't do it. So there's more on the floor, we go next. Once again, like my 3-digit part 2, there's a 0 here. So if there is a 0 here, I have to go next door again. I'm going to score this out, and this becomes £6. I take those and I put it over here. That makes that 10 pences, which is the same as a pound. Now, if you remember right from my video before, you'll remember that I can now take from here. Now I'm going to score this all out. You'll notice that I score the 1 and the 0. Now if that was 10, now that's now going to become 9. So now I take it over to here. Now we've got 15 take away 8. 15 take away 8 is 7, and I put it down there. I've got 9 take away 2, which is also 7. Now, I'm not using exactly the right language. If I wanted to be very precise, I would be calling these hundredths and tenths. But for speed today, I'm saying that that's just 9 and 2. By this point, I hope you understand your place value. £6 take away £4 is £2. And at this stage, I now put my pound symbol in. So, in all honesty, not that much difference from 3-digit to 3-digit. The main thing is get your decimal points in a nice straight line, and if you do, you'll knock it out the ballpark and you will become the Beyonce of maths. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. Catch you later. Bye.